Embarking on a new season in life often comes with a profound sense of anticipation and urgency, a divine invitation to step into a deeper partnership with God. His guidance is never random, and His timing is never accidental. Every step along the way, He prepares you for something significant, something that aligns perfectly with His purpose for your life. The signs you perceive are not merely indicators of change, but invitations to trust Him more deeply, to surrender control, and to embrace the unknown with faith. They serve as reminders that His plans are not simply for your benefit, but ultimately for His glory. This new season is not just about achieving something, it is about becoming someone, a reflection of His love, grace, and power. One of the greatest gifts of recognizing God's leading is the assurance that you are never alone. Even when the journey feels uncertain and the challenges seem insurmountable, you can rest in the promise that He is with you. His presence serves as your anchor, His word as your guide, and His Spirit as your strength. This knowledge allows you to move forward with confidence, knowing that the God who began a good work in you will be faithful to complete it. The signs He gives are evidence of His faithfulness and serve as reminders that He is the author and finisher of your story. As you step into this new season, you may experience a mixture of emotions, excitement, anticipation, and perhaps even a touch of fear. This is natural, as stepping into the unknown requires courage. However, it is in these moments of vulnerability that God's power is made perfect. He doesn't expect you to have all the answers or to have everything figured out. All He asks is for your willingness to trust Him, to take the next step, and to keep your eyes fixed on Him. The journey may not always be easy, but it will always be worth it because it is a journey toward His purpose for your life. The beauty of God's guidance lies in its transformative power, not just altering your circumstances, but also reshaping your heart. Each sign is a tool He uses to mold you, refine you, and prepare you for what lies ahead. The stirring in your spirit awakens a deeper hunger for Him, while the pruning of relationships and habits clears the way for growth. Challenges serve to strengthen your faith, and bold opportunities stretch your capacity to trust Him. Through it all, He is shaping you into the person He created you to be, someone who reflects His love and walks in His purpose. When you look back on this season, you will see how every moment, every step, and every sign was part of a greater picture. What may have seemed like random events or unconnected experiences will come into focus, revealing a tapestry of God's grace. You will recognize how He used every joy and every trial to prepare you for the season you are entering. This perspective not only brings gratitude but also deepens your trust in Him for the future. Knowing that He has been faithful in the past gives you confidence that He will continue to be faithful in the days to come. The journey into a new season is also an opportunity to bless others. As you walk in obedience to God's leading, your life becomes a testimony of His goodness and faithfulness. The lessons you learn, the growth you experience, and the ways He provides will inspire and encourage those around you. Your story becomes a beacon of hope, reminding others that God is at work in their lives as well. The new season is not just about what God is doing for you, it is about what He is doing through you. Your faith, courage, and obedience have the power to impact others in ways you may never fully understand. God's leading is never just about the destination, it is about the journey. Each step you take, each sign you follow, and each challenge you face is an opportunity to walk closely with Him. The new season is not merely a place you arrive at, but a process of becoming more like Christ, more aligned with His will and more attuned to His voice. This journey deepens your relationship with Him and reminds you that He is the greatest blessing of all. The signs are not just about pointing you in the right direction, they are about drawing you closer to the one who holds the plan. As you move forward, hold on to the truth that God's plans for you are good. They are plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Even when the path feels uncertain and the challenges seem great, you can rest assured that He is in control. He sees the end from the beginning and knows exactly what you need to fulfill His purpose for your life. Trusting in His plans allows you to release your fears, embrace the unknown, and walk boldly into the new season. This moment of transition is sacred because it marks the beginning of something new, something God ordained and God led. It is a time to celebrate His faithfulness, thank Him for His guidance, and commit yourself fully to His will. The signs He has given you are evidence of His love and His desire to see you flourish. They are reminders that you are His, that you are chosen, and that you are equipped for the season ahead. As you step into this new chapter, carry with you the lessons of the past, the promises of His word, and the hope of His purpose. Ultimately, the journey into a new season is a journey of faith. It is about trusting in a God who is infinitely good, infinitely wise, and infinitely loving. It involves saying yes to His call, even when the path is unclear and the future uncertain. Embrace this journey with confidence, knowing that He who calls you is faithful and will surely do it.